Uy! Sa mga solid fans ni Michael Jackson, nandito ng much-awaited movie of the year, ang Michael Movie. Yee! Ito na ang ticket ko! Nandito pala tayo sa SM Cinema Grand Central. Pero bago ang lahat, i-flex ko lang ang limited edition Michael Popcorn Hat. Ito palang merch sila from Snack Time. Ito palang Rock with Snack Combo. Comes with hotdog bites, 22-ounce beverage, and popcorn. Siyempre, cheese flavor ang pinili ko. Nandito na tayo sa loob.
You know what I'm after?
You want to be the biggest star in the world. I believe there's no one like you. And there never will be.
Wow! Ang galing ni Jafar Jackson! Para sa akin, 9/10 ito. Mukhang may sequel. Sa mga MJ fans dyan, panoorin nyo na. This is Happy Yuan Sampang, my blog, my day, and my share. Thank you for watching. See us again. Bye!